Cloud migration can feel overwhelming, like your data center chaos is too big to tame. I get it. A single mistake can be costly, but you don't have to face it alone. This course gives you a simplified end-to-end blueprint for cloud success. We break down every stage, defining business goals with the cloud adoption framework, choosing the right tools, mastering critical testing, and navigating that high-pressure final cutover. You'll learn how to climb the modernization ladder safely, troubleshoot with confidence, and rely on a proven bailout plan as your safety net. Don't gamble on your cloud move. Upgrade it with precision. This isn't a teaser, it's the complete story, made simple. Join me, and let's turn your infrastructure from chaos into modern success. Let's simplify cloud migration. Think of your digital workload like this busy restaurant. But costs are rising, and you need to grow. The cloud is your new, state-of-the-art facility. To get there, use a blueprint like the Cloud Adoption Framework (CAF) to align your business goals with a logical plan. Then choose your method, lift and shift to move everything as is, quickly, or migrate and modernize to redesign for a better menu. But remember, the first step is always figuring out exactly what you have. Before you pack a single box for your cloud migration, you need a reality check. The sad truth is, inventories are usually messy, and you can't just copy spreadsheets. The core concept you must embrace is the workload. A workload is a single application performing a defined business task, and it must be treated as a single entity. If you leave one piece behind, the whole thing breaks. To identify boundaries, look at coupling rates. Tightly coupled systems require instant communication and must reside in the same Azure region. Loosely coupled systems connect intermittently and can move later. The primary tool, Azure Migrate, builds an agentless inventory and dependency map to provide accurate sizing recommendations. But remember, it's not a magic button. A human expert must override cautions regarding clusters and databases to avoid disaster. Your database is a fragile heart, not a pile of furniture. Generic tools won't cut it. You need specialized equipment. Start with the Data Migration Assistant, your strict building inspector. DMA is the ultimate authority on compatibility, essential for ensuring a guaranteed future in Azure. For the heavy lifting, the Azure Database Migration Service is your cloud-based strong logistics coordinator, orchestrating multiple simultaneous moves. Azure Data Studio provides a unified remote control to run both tools, but act fast. Its migration features are deprecated after February 2026. Finally, real-world architects know that to keep a complex business running smoothly during migration, specialized third-party sync tools are often absolutely essential. When moving a database to the cloud, you face a critical question. How much downtime can the business realistically tolerate? The stakes are high. Unlike simple web servers, databases are highly stateful, living entities requiring zero data loss and perfect consistency. If your business can tolerate a long weekend off, the offline strategy is simple. Like closing a restaurant for remodeling, you extract, copy, and apply. But for massive terabyte-sized databases with tiny cutover windows, you must use a complex online strategy, syncing heavy items first, then refreshing data continuously while still operating. Fortunately, the revolutionary Azure SQL Managed Instance Link provides an elegant fix, allowing you to maintain this synchronization indefinitely until you execute a seamless, elegant failover. Let's simplify that last stressful stage of cloud migration. Assuming your migration is done just because the progress bar hits 100% is a recipe for disaster. During the critical cutover phase, you must perform rigorous validations to prove the new environment is ready. You need to check for data integrity, data completeness, and overall system connectivity. If you discover an error at 3 a.m. during cutover, you've already failed. Get your QA and compliance teams involved and adopt a methodical troubleshooting mindset where you fix issues one at a time. The ultimate golden rule? Professionals practice until they can't do it wrong. Have a tested bailout plan and do not be afraid to pull the plug if troubleshooting takes too long. Delivering a functional system back to the business before the outage window closes is the absolute priority. Finally, secure your case and execute with precision to successfully complete your journey to the cloud. Looking back, we began our cloud migration journey by confronting the chaos of messy data centers, comparing them to aging restaurants that urgently needed economic justification. We used the Cloud Adoption Framework blueprint to define economic requirements and identify workloads based on their tightly coupled components. Next, we deployed specialized tools like the Strict Inspector DMA and Logistics Coordinator DMS, confronting the critical choice between simple offline methods and the complex online synchronization required for massive databases. Finally, we successfully climbed the stressful cutover ladder, rigorously validating data integrity and connectivity. We learned that having a tested bailout plan was our ultimate safety net. We executed with precision and landed successfully in modern Azure.